Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to install Discord because we're going to be using Discord a lot for conversations. So you go to discord.com, and according to this website, it's like whether you're a part of a school club, gaming group, worldwide art community, or just a handful of friends that want to spend time together, Discord makes it easier to talk every day and hang out more often, right? So we're going to be using Discord to have conversations. It's sometimes confusing to use in the beginning, but when you get a hang of it, it's kind of easy to use, right? And think about Discord as like Slack on steroids, right? Slack, if you want to use, like, if you have a lot of users and you talk a lot, you would have to pay. It's free to start, but Discord is free for unlimited users, so you don't have to, no limitations, basically, right? So you can open Discord in your browser, or you can just download for Mac or download for your. I'd recommend downloading for your computer. So if you're using Windows, it would say download for Windows, or Linux. So if you're using Mac, it says download for Mac, right? So basically, there's a lot of things you can do with Discord. It's invite only, and you have plenty of room to talk, so you can talk, creating different channels. I'll show you that in a bit, what it looks like on the Mac. And you can hang out easily, right? For voice. So if you can do voice chats as well, it doesn't have to just be text. So for the CodeWith Developers Club, we're going to be doing a lot of that, right? We're going to be having. So I'd recommend that please try and participate as much as you can. Please try and participate in this as much as you can. You might be busy, but honestly, once you've taken a step to say you want to learn this, I would suggest to stick to it. Like, it'll be hard, but you'll be proud of yourself that you did that, right? So basically, that's what Discord looks like on the browser. When you install it, this is what it would look like. So this is Discord on the Mac. It looks the same, almost the same on every device, right? So basically, this is what Discord looks like. Don't get overwhelmed. I'm going to show you how the different functions work. So we have channels, right? Remember, we're talking about channels. Think about it as different rooms in a building. So in this building, we have a room called general. So general is where we have general questions or general resources or announcements. So in this case, I put a link to the introduction message explaining general course outline, timelines, and all the details. And Bology came to also comment and says this looks good. I said thank you. So you can comment, right? You can have conversations, and it's easy, right? So that's the general channel. So you have other channels like the HTML channel, which is basically going to be conversations around HTML. We probably drop books on HTML, resources on HTML, just to kind of make it streamlined so you don't have conversations just flying all around and people confused. You can decide what room you want to go, right? This is a channel on introduction. So it's a group on introduction. Think about it as a room where you introduce yourself, right? So think about it like you're moving from one room to another. So you have different rooms in the house. And one room is for introduction. So this is me. This is my introduction. Yeah, and so you've had other people in the group also introducing themselves. Yep. So this is basically introduction. So you have a group for CSS, you have a channel for JavaScript, Python, and then a channel for resources. Basically, if you have, we're going to be putting in resources here. So in this case, we had Visual Studio Code link as a resource that you can download. So the link is here, and you can right-click people and message them. So if you right-click a message, you can message Bology directly, right? So basically, those are your friends. If you don't have friends, you can add friends as well. So basically, that is Discord, and I hope this was clear. If you're confused and nothing is clear, please let me know and I'll explain it again, or you can send me a message directly on the group and we can deal with this. All right, guys. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.